going on, guys? So I got this little beast for Christmas. It's called a Wooshka. It's from Bunnings Warehouse, and it's a cooking station slash oven, cooktop, grill top kind of thing. The oven just goes in the exhaust. So I'm just lit it, so there's a bit of cardboard smoke and stuff like that at the moment. The oven's a full bypass, so there's no smoke that goes into the actual cooking area. So yeah, we'll just get some garlic bread and a few chips in there. We'll get it warm, and so she goes. I'll come back when she's defrosted the chips and started doing some cooking. Got a nice warm fire going on in there now. Glowing cherry red down the back. 150 degrees in the oven. And my chips and garlic bread are cooking. Garlic bread's starting to go crispy and I can smell it. Cool down a bit quick there. Yeah, 150 degrees. Got some old hardwood planks in there burning. As you can see, a lot of white smoke, mainly because it's moisture drying out, but yeah, it's still cooking. Alright guys, looks like it's time for some tucker. They're nice and crispy. Garlic bread's nice and warm. Looks like the sticks and garden trimmings and all that stuff that people take to the tip, it's done its job and cooked dinner. If you're off grid or whatever, one of these, yeah, highly recommend. Camping, off gridding, Wooshka, Bunnings sell these beasts. So yeah, dinner time. Nice big oven, comes with 3 trays. Drill plate, flat plate, the business. Thanks for watching something different. I thought I'd just show you. Yeah, I'm going to start looking at a lot more off-grid things, so you'll see more of it. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one.